Hello everybody, this is Patchi from Mini Picassos at Home, and today we are gonna make this lovely adorable toucan. Isn't it pretty? And look, it can stay on my finger. Oh, that's such an adorable one. So come, let's make it together. So to make this toucan, you're gonna need a piece of a harder paper. You're gonna need sellotape, glue stick, scissors, pencil, coloring pencil, and maybe a black pen if you like. So first, which paper we are gonna use? For the body of your toucan, we are gonna need to use something hard. So I took a piece of a box of pizza, okay? So can be a box of cereals as well, it's gonna be fine. You're gonna need a template. I'm using a paper plate as a template, but you can use any plate you have at home. Doesn't need to be a paper one. So here we go. I'm just gonna make a mark and trace a circle around my paper. Here we are. This is a bit hard, so maybe you're gonna need to have the help of an adult to cut the circle. You're gonna try to do your best to cut the shape properly, okay? When you finish cutting the circle, we are gonna mark where is gonna be the center of the circle. Oops, I have a piece to trim. So we are gonna mark where is the center of the circle. If you don't get the center exactly where it is, please don't worry, it's absolutely fine. So we are gonna start cutting it here. This is the first part of the body of your toucan. We are also gonna need another circle to make the wings. So for the wings, it doesn't need to be a harder paper. It can be a paper that is a bit more like a light. Okay, so here we go. To make the template, I'm using now a little tin. So I'm gonna put the tin here. Remember that this toucan is gonna be any size. It depends on how big is gonna be your circle. So you decide how big you want to make your bird. Again, we cut the circle and we fold it in the middle. So here we go. Fold the circle in the middle. This one is easier to fold, look at that. So you fold in the middle and cut. Oh, we are almost ready to start. So we have now two circles. One with a very, very light paper, and this one that is a bit of a heavy card. So how do we start? We turn this upside down, so you see both round sides are facing the same place. We are gonna put glue right here on the top, and we are gonna get this part and put here. Look. It is already looking like the one that I showed you before. So now what we need to do is do the super nice drawing. So what do we need here? I'm gonna get a black pen so it's gonna be easier for you to see. So we have this line that's going to separate the beak from where is the eye. Then we are gonna make a line that goes like that to the beginning, to the start. And here we go. We have a bit of a wibbly wobbly line. We are gonna make an eye very big. So another circle inside and another circle inside. Oh, another little one. This is the one that we are gonna paint black. So if you have a pen and you want to do it straight away, it's okay. Also, if you want to add eyelashes, that's a good moment. We are now going to make a line that goes from this part of the face. Oh. Okay, so our bird is basically ready. So we need now black pencil that we are gonna color the whole body. Don't color where's the eye, okay? So we are gonna color the body. I think I'm gonna give my toucan a very beautiful blue eyes, but you can give any color you want. It's up to you which color the eyes of your toucan are gonna be. But the beak, oh, the beak is especially important. If you want, you can use a black pen and trace around the beak if you want. I didn't do on my other one, but it's gonna make it look very nice if you want to trace black all around here. Remember that these are only ideas, so it's up to you how you're gonna make it. So let's see how the beak is gonna be. Right here, the front of the beak, I'm gonna use some orange. For this part of the beak, I'm gonna use yellow. Oh, it's already looking cool, look at that. I also put a little bit of yellow on the front as well. We want to cover everything. Then you can get your orange and come here where is the opening of the beak and make it a little bit darker. Maybe add a little bit of orange here on the top and here the bottom, just to make the colors like soft. What we are gonna do with the other circle? Well, this is gonna be your wing. So we are gonna color it black, and we are going to stick the wing right here on the body. Oh, and what about this other bit? Well, this other bit is going to be the tail. So you color it black as well. And you stick right here at the end. And we have your lovely little toucan. So probably you are asking yourself, how did this toucan was holding on my finger? Let's turn to the other side. Ah, look at this. I have a little peg that I put here on my toucan with sticky tape or sellotape. So here it is. What can you do with this toucan is carry it on your finger or stick it to any things on the table. So he's gonna look incredibly adorable sticking on the things on the table. Or like I said before, you just can have him to walk around the house with you. Isn't it a lovely one? So if you make any toucans at home, send a photo for me. I would love to see the colors that you use for the beak and the body. If you like this video, take a look. We have some other ones at minipicassos.co.uk. And say hello to us on our Instagram. Thank you for seeing. Bye-bye.